Jordan, and welcome to another math lesson. We've been spending time decomposing and composing the number 9 and the number 10, and today we're going to work with both of those numbers. Our math thinking job is I can put together to add and find the unknown to 9 and 10. We're going to work a lot with number sentences. So here we go.
We're going to write more number sentences today. If you look at what I wrote on my board, what kind of number sentences do you think we will be talking about? We're going to add to number sentences. We're going to do addition number sentences. So, do you remember what we put in this box in our lessons before? Right. How many are all together? This was our mystery number, and we might have drawn a box to help us know that this was our mystery number, the number we didn't know. So I have some cubes, and we're going to listen to a story. I'm going to use the cubes to represent bears in my story, and then we are going to fill in this number sentence. 6 bears were walking in the forest. 3 more bears came to walk with them. I've shown the bears with my cubes. How many bears were walking in the forest all together? 9. We now have 9 bears all together. How do we know that we have 9 bears all together? What can we do? We can count them all. We start with our first 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we count on 3 more. 7, 8, 9. We added 3 more. We started with 6 bears. And then 3 more bears came to make 9 all together. 3 bears and added 3 more bears to make 9 bears all together. How could we write a number sentence about this story? What number should I put in the first blank? It should be 6 because there were 6 bears in the forest first. In the next blank, what's the next number we should put? Right. 3 bears joined. 3 more bears joined. Now, let's talk about the blank after the equal sign, our mystery number. 9. 9 is all together. All the bears we had all together. How did you know where each of the numbers belonged? Well, we know that 6 and 3 are the parts. And 9 comes after the equal sign because it's how many we have all together. Okay, let's do another problem. Make sure your listening ears are turned up because I have another story for you. I'm going to tell you a story, and you guys are going to listen to the numbers and draw the story as I'm telling the story. Here we go. Maggie had 4 pennies. Her mom gave her 5 more pennies. How many pennies does Maggie have now? I'm going to read the story one more time, and you guys are drawing out my story. Maggie had 4 pennies. Her mom gave her 5 more pennies. How many pennies does Maggie have now? Once you have your story drawn, then match it with an addition number sentence. Okay, so she had 4 pennies, and then she had 5 more pennies. I'm going to draw a circle to show me 4, And then my number sentence could be 4, because I started with 4, plus 5, because she gave more, and then I count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pennies all together. Does your number sentence and drawing look like mine? Great work. All right, I have one more story for you. John had 2 circle magnets and 8 square magnets. How many magnets did he have all together? Okay, I'm going to read it one more time. You can draw the magnets out and then write your number sentence to match. John had 2 circle magnets and 8 square magnets. How many magnets did he have all together? Okay, he had 2 circle magnets and 8 square magnets. And I like to circle my parts. So I start with 2 for my 2 circle magnets, 8 for my 8 square magnets, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. All right, let's practice some more.
Here is a story. We're going to draw the story and then fill in the number sentence. Jake has 7 chocolate cookies and 2 sugar cookies. How many cookies does he have all together? Okay, so I am going to draw my cookies. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I have 2. 1, 2. Okay. Remember, when you're using pictures just like 5 group, you can use a circle to help you see one of your groups. And now your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to complete the number sentence. All right, what did you come up with? We can see that we have 7 chocolate cookies and 2 sugar cookies. And how many cookies do we have all together? 9. We know that it's 9 because we can go back and count our 2 parts together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Here's my next story. Jake's mother bought juice boxes. 4 were apple juice and 5 were orange juice. How many juice boxes did he have all together? Your teacher's going to pause the video. You guys are going to draw the juice boxes and then complete the number sentence to find out how many she had all together. Okay, here we go. She had 4 apple juice boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then she had 5 orange juice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to draw a circle to show my group of 4. So I see that I am composing this number. I know my parts, 4 plus 5. My job was to find out how many juice boxes did she have in all. Right, we can go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Here's my next story. Rhett had 5 square blocks. His friend gave him 4 rectangle blocks. How many blocks did Rhett have all together? Now it's your turn. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to draw the blocks as well as write your very own number sentence. Okay, we know Rhett started with 5 square blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And he had 4 rectangle blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to circle this group of 4 to show my 2 parts. All right, now you had to write your own number sentence. Here we go. 5, that's 1 part, plus. Remember, we're putting our 5 and 4 together, so we need that plus sign. 4. What sign do we use when we're finding the total amount? Right, an equal sign. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And we know that because we can go back and count, or you might have just known that 5 plus 4 equals 9 and shine to you. Today in Seesaw, you are going to continue to create your own number sentence by drawing a story. Until next time, bye Kipsters.